Let's do a line.
Or do you want to do a donut?
Yes.
All right. Is that a good one?
I'm dizzy.
Yeah.
I'll do that again.
Well, we gotta go buy Mom a Christmas present. I almost turned this way, and that means I would have had to drive down the hill that resulted in me getting this car when I drove my E-Class off a cliff. But I remembered not to. Laura's taking the kids to school today, and I need to run to the building because the Hornet alternator, I'm missing a bolt to put it all back together. So I have to go get the nut that the bolt threads into so I can know the size of it. And then I also have some stuff in the trunk to drop off, like the cover for the CRX is in my garage, not on the CRX, which is weird. So I'm gonna take that there. And then some signs and stuff that I got from Muscle Car Corvette Nationals. The cars didn't fall off the lift, so that's cool. Oh, it's so warm in here, I forgot to let the heat on. That will be a bill. All right, so yellow car here, silver car there, and I have to find wherever the bolt for the alternator is. I think it's on the lift. Not only did I find them, I remembered to bring a Ziploc bag and labeled it so that I don't forget. I'm gonna carry some stuff in, and then I'm actually gonna take this car out and flip it around, but I also wanna take pictures because I wanna Photoshop yellow steelies onto this car and see how it looks. So carry this other stuff in, and then I will do that. Car cover. I made it. Check out these signs I got too. So I got these two from Hobby Lobby and these ones from Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals. My goal is to like hang them on the walls and stuff. I have about 10 trillion signs. It'll be pretty cool if I ever get around to doing that. This thing's been on the charger for a while, so it should fire right up even though it doesn't have an alternator. Plug this. Thinking I unplugged the electronic ignition on accident because it doesn't even seem like it's getting spark. Oh yeah. That was easy. That is also on my list of things to fix this winter. I love this car. Hornet is inside, flipped around. I took the picture so I can Photoshop, and now I'm just gonna go get that bolt, and at some point, then I'll have all of the parts to put this thing back together. My dad and I are also gonna do Power Tour, I think, this year, but he's done it in this car a lot of times. Originally, when we started building that car, like 15 years ago, we were gonna take it on Power Tour just because imports are so few and far between there. I think that that's still the plan. I don't know what I'm gonna do to this car over winter. I'm definitely gonna put in like a USB port and a battery that is the appropriate size. And I have to like tighten up body fits and bumper and stuff like that. So I don't know. Hopefully that car will be on Power Tour. If not, we'll take this one. And yes.